show you something that is way better than coupon. Don't think about saving $2. Think more about saving $5 to $10. Come with me right now. This is Piper Blush, your financial coach, and I'm going to show you how to deduct your life. Approximately $10 you are going to save on this trip with me. Are you tired of paper cuts? Well, me too. That's why you don't need coupons in your life. No. No more scissors, no more paper cuts, no more going through all of these pamphlets in your junk mail. No. Say you don't want junk mail anymore. I know you're gonna say, well, Piper, there's an app for that. Delete it. It's not a good app. You need only one app and one app only. And this is something to track your kilometers. All the other apps you can delete from your iPhone, your Samsung, your whatever phone, flip phone, doesn't matter. You delete it all. And then you get a kilometer deduction tracking system. Oh yeah. Sometimes you need to go further away, because the furthest the food, the more the deductions, the bigger the coupon, That's why I'm going far away, because I'm gonna get approximately $10 of deductions on this grocery shopping. That's a lot more than a coupon, people. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 secrets of how to do the best bechamel sauce. Bechamel is very, very French. Now, to do bechamel, you're going to need some ingredients. That means that all these ingredients are deductible because, well, we're doing bechamel sauce. But more importantly, 3 ingredients, remember this. Super easy tip. Wet your fingers and then open the bag. Oh, you're wet and mushy. Oh, what a... Choose some ham to roll your awesome poireau in. This is one of the secret ingredients. Now, don't go buying this small. I mean, the government and your deductions, they don't know how much you need. So don't buy this. Go for the bigger one. $8.39, $10.35, $11.46. This means this is the bigger one. We're going to take this one. You're going to grate some of this in your bechamel sauce. This is one of the secret ingredients. That way you don't squish it. And D'Italiano, trying to sponsor me, I'm available. Most important ingredient, milk in bechamel sauce. Think big. Second secret ingredient in your bechamel sauce, it is a little bit of cream. Because if you have milk and you have Gruyère cheese, then you need to make it even more indulgent. So you put some cream in there. You shall not use margarine. This is French. You need to use butter. So you need to pay the extra price. But don't worry, it's deductible. You don't necessarily have to buy the most expensive flour. It's still your money. So forget about Robin Hood. He gives back to the poor, blah, blah, blah. This is cheaper. You buy this one. And much like any French meal, the Parisian style, you're going to need some alcohol. But since alcohol is very difficultly, well, deductible, we're going to go for something without any alcohol. So this is the alcoholized wine. Plus it's from Australia, not from France, but I mean, we're getting there, people. The thing is, you don't need to buy more than this. You just buy your deduction. That's it. Now we're ready to go to the cash. When you have a points card, you're not only deducting, but you're going to receive some points. And these points can be transferred into money or for groceries. It's double deduction.
Points card. Select from list. Place item in the bagging area.
Ta-da! Amount due, $61.33. All on your business card because it's business deductible. Plus, if you use credit, you also gain points. Always keep your receipt. Dog, you see how groceries are getting really expensive? That is why you need to deduct your life. That way, well, you can still enjoy the luxuries of life without breaking the bank. Subscribe right now. I got everything in there. Now, don't forget that the best way to do it is to go do your groceries with only the stuff you want to deduct. Don't buy anything else. You'll go later. Time is money, money is time. But the thing is, when you start deducting your kilometers, well, actually, you're just kind of paying it in time and not in money anymore. It's that easy. This is church time, people. How to deduct your French meal. We've got all of the things that we went and purchased. Well, almost all of the things, because I already had a cheese grater, I already had a cutting board, already had this, already had some nutmeg. So I didn't need to buy any nutmeg, and I already had some lemon juice. Oh yeah, so see, some things you already have, so you don't necessarily need to go and buy them just to deduct them, or else it's gonna be wasted. You don't want to waste anything. So I know that some people are like, well, Piper, where's your French baguette? But the thing is, we're in Canada. So French baguette is kind of so-so. Plus, my nutritionist always tells me I should eat some, whole wheat stuff. So I bought some bread. That way you can dip your bread in the bechamel sauce, just like the French do. Now, there's a whole bunch of bechamel sauces on there on the internet. My bechamel sauce is different because it's all about the 3 secret ingredients that I will reveal to you soon. A kitchen tip from Piper. Some people say, put the milk slowly and then mix it up. I say, just pour it all in and mix it up later. While the bechamel sauce is doing its thing, you can grate your cheese. See, I've got some Gruyère Suisse. This is the cheese you need to put in your bechamel. This is one of the actual secret ingredients for the best bechamel. Don't put some Emmentaler in there. This is disgusting. You need to put some Gruyère Suisse. Now, you only put it at the end. So don't go put it right now. Let it kind of warm up and smell really nice all over the kitchen. All right? See, we have about $1 left. $9.33 for some ham. I mean, life is getting really, really expensive. That is why you need to watch Piper Blush, your financial coach, on how to deduct your life. Because with all the tips and tricks I'm giving you in these videos, well, you will be able to not break the bank, to have your most amazing fun time while eating, having activities, and doing all these awesome things. Yeah, without breaking the bank. It's so easy. All you need is YouTube, because who needs a fiscal paradise when you've got YouTube? Gonna be okay. Have you noticed that the sound is really better? Yeah, that's because my AirPod Pros, they actually work with FCPX on my iPad while I shoot all of this. So better sound quality, but Apple have something for you. You need to put this like on the device without FCP. That would be amazing. And on my iPhone too. Yeah, I want to be able to use these everywhere. I can be things for me. You don't need to whisk all the time. This is not true. You can take breaks. Just go do something else. Once it boils, it will not get thicker. This is a chef tip. So you can take it off and we can add more secret ingredients. Our other secret ingredients. Now, a little bit of cheese, like this. Just to add some saltiness to the sauce and make it stick together a little bit more. I feel like Julia Childs. And then, well, because it has thickened the sauce a little bit, you are gonna add some cream, but just a little. Perfect. Mix it again. Nutmeg. Don't eat 16 of those. It's bad for you. You just sprinkle a little bit of love. Smells like pumpkin spice, but it's not gonna taste like pumpkin spice, all right? So don't freak out, everybody. A little bit of lemon juice. Like kitchen tips, but deductible. You can do the same thing at home. Just do the exact same thing as I'm doing. You go to the grocery, you buy everything, you film yourself, and bam, deductible. The only way to take bechamel is with bread. Why? Because the French, they eat bread all the time. Plus, you can't just like drink bechamel sauce. Though I thought about it a lot. But you can't drink bechamel sauce. You need to taste it with bread. So we're gonna take ourselves a piece of bread and do a taste test. Ooh, this is fluffy bread. Take it, dip it. Oh yeah. Look at this consistency. This is perfect because it's gonna go in the oven later. So you don't want it too thick.
This is definitely one of the most delicious white sauce ever. It's gonna need a bit more salt though. Let me taste. Yeah, a bit more salt. Black Forest ham. You can use any ham, doesn't really matter. If you're vegetarian, just don't put any ham. Keep the leeks and nothing else. Ugh. You're gonna need 4 slices of ham. Now this is great because it's already pre-cut and delicious and all that stuff. So the rest, we can keep for later. Let's just put it here. This here. Oh, don't keep the ham juice. That's like not a thing, you know. Ham juice is not really a thing. All right, bam, bam, yeah. Now you make sure that your leeks have been cooked, cooked. Now to tenderness, I like to chop mine a little bit. That way it's easier to actually eat later. You take the leek and you roll it. I know some of my super awesome 420 people, cool, have actually like lots of experience with this. So you won't need any guidance. You're gonna be fine. Bam! Now you add your bechamel sauce all over this beautiful rows of leek and, well, ham. Sauce time! Sprinkle some Gruyère sweets on top to add to the deliciousness of this meal. Make sure you don't waste any. It's expensive, people. Pop it in the oven. Hold it. To eat this very French meal, you will need an opinel knife. Be mindful, this is very, very hot. Now, why did you make 2, Piper? Because one is always more pretty for the video. I need to deduct this, so it needs to be nice. This one's nice, this one's not so nice, yeah. Okay, some oil, fat from the cheese, and the butter and all that delicious things were put in there. Oh my god. Okay, this is the hard leek. I'm gonna take the... Oh, come to mommy. Oh. Now you need to let it air out because it's way too hot to eat. You might be wondering what happened to the other piece. Well, I kind of ate it before. That's why it's the magic of cinema. Yeah, that's why you need a lot of food to deduct it all. This is delicious. I mean, it's so good. Plus, there's like the leek in there. Then there's a ham. Then there's all the gooiness from the cheese and the saltiness from the bechamel sauce. Look at this. It's like a luxurious soup. And, well, you always have some bread. So actually, go ahead, take a piece. Like this. And then you take some of that thickness. Oh, you see this? You put it on there, and it becomes like Swiss fondue, but not Swiss fondue. Now you need to wait this up. Be mindful. Mmm.